Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a surprise craft box. They are exciting projects hidden inside. It is for ages 6 and up. On this side it has these little things that you open. I am going to have my daughter do this, which she's really excited about. So I'm going to throw a clip of her opening it and actually using this and see what her thoughts are on this. Okay.
How do I open it?
I don't know.
But look, there's these. And there's nowhere other way to open it than, so do you pop these in or something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
So you open each little area and it'll have its own little project. So each one that you open will be a separate little project that you get.
This is what I made. I really like it. I think it's cool. Oh, it's a good thing to do whenever you're bored or you have nothing to do. And I like it a lot.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.